Hey, moneymakers! Are you ready to learn a brand new copy and paste Google method that's making people hundreds of dollars a day? This method is so simple and powerful that you'll be amazed at how easy it is to implement. I'm going to show you how to take the link to trending articles, paste it into an app, and create viral videos that can be viewed in multiple languages. Let's dive into the specifics and see how you can start making money today. Proof that it works. I'm Zachus, and welcome back to Spend Power. If you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to show you some real proof that this method works. I took a trending article, created a video, and got over 400,000 views in just 8 days. From that, I made almost $5,000. That's about $625 a day. With the new method I'm about to show you, which has just been released, you can potentially make even more. The method. First, let's find a trending topic or article. You can go directly to Google News, which aggregates news stories from all over the web. It offers various categories, so you can choose one that interests you. If you want a more specific approach, use Google Gemini, an AI chatbot that provides a list of trending articles based on current Google search results. You can also use Google Trends to see what people are searching for right now. For example, if 1 million people are searching for a topic about LeBron James, you can create content around that, creating viral videos. Once you have your trending article, sign up for a free account on InVideo AI using the link in the description. This app can create videos in multiple languages, allowing you to reach a global audience. After signing up, turn on the beta feature to access the latest tools and hit Create New to start your video project. Setting up your video. Copy the URL of your chosen article and paste it into the InVideo AI app. Specify the length and tone of the video, whether you want it to be funny, serious, or informative. You can also choose the gender and accent of the voiceover. If you prefer, you can use your own voice by recording a 30-second clip and uploading it to the app. This personalized touch can make your videos even more engaging, adding subtitles and customizing content. To make your video more accessible, you can add subtitles. This is especially useful if you're targeting a global audience. The app allows you to change the language of the video with a simple command. For example, if you want to translate your video into Spanish, just type the command and the app will do it for you. Leveraging Creative Commons and fair use. Many people wonder how to legally use clips from other videos. You can search for videos under Creative Commons on YouTube, which allows public use. Ensure you credit the original creator and follow fair use guidelines, which means adding new meaning or commentary to the original work. Downloading and editing videos. Once your video is ready, you can download it. If you're using the free version of InVideo AI, your video will have a watermark. For better quality and no watermarks, consider upgrading to a paid plan. You can also use tools like KeepVid2 to download videos or screen record if your device supports it. After downloading, you can further edit the video by adding scenes or changing the script within the app. Uploading to YouTube and monetizing. Upload your video to YouTube and optimize it for SEO by using relevant keywords and engaging thumbnails. The more views your video gets, the more money you can make. Remember, building a following takes time, so be patient and consistent. I've created several videos discussing YouTube's monetization requirements and how to grow your channel, which you can find linked in the description. Conclusion. This simple copy and paste method can help you create several videos a day, keeping your channel relevant and up to date with the latest news. While it takes time to build an audience and start earning significant income, this method is a great way to get started. Special offer. If you want to dive deeper and learn more advanced strategies, I have an exclusive guide available that will take your YouTube game to the next level. Download it now from the link in the description. And don't forget to check out Spend Power for more tips on maximizing your online income. Thank you for watching. If you found this video valuable, please like, comment, and subscribe to Spend Power for more tips on making money online. For more in-depth guides, join my Telegram community through the link in the description. Remember, we're here to thrive, not just survive. Until next time, keep hustling and see you in the next video. Peace!